So this is the final match. It is between Sirsilla. So Sirsilla captain is here. It's Shekhar, and this is Amir from Korutla captain. So there you go. This is toss time now. The final of this Karimnagar volleyball tournament of four districts, zonal districts of Karimnagar. The final showdown is here. The final match. So this is the big game now. So it's the toss time. There you go, the toss is up. Korutla won the toss. That's it, they choose to receive. We are going to witness a big match now, the final. It's Sirsilla who just won against the Pepedapalli team into the finals. And here is it, the Korutla players practicing, warming up and doing the exercises and all. They are looking to win this final now, and those are the Sirsilla players. They are fighting really good. Let's see who will win in this final match of this Karimnagar volleyball tournament, 4 district levels. So the final match is going to start now. Sirsilla versus Korutla, the Karimnagar volleyball tournament. There it is, the first point for Korutla team. Brilliant spike. There you go, the service is done. Good drop. Another point is that side. Brilliant presence of mind. It's 2-0 the score. It's 1-2 now.
1-2. Score after 1-2.
There you go. Brilliant block. 2-all.
2-all.
It's 2-all now. It's 3-2 now.
3. Three all.
Brilliant spike by Amir Bhaiya.
4-3.
It's 4-3 now. The score.
క్యాప్టెన్ ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాడు, మీరు రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం.
Brilliant spike by Amir Bhaiya. Good defense from Sirsilla. That's it. Good defense. They got the point. Korutla.
Score
5-3 now.
5-3. Okay, good.
2 points lead for Korutla.
5-3 in favor of Korutla.
Good service. Brilliant spike by Sirsilla players.
4-5 in favor of Korutla. 4-5. 4-5.
Nice service. Brilliant spike by Amir Bhaiya.
6-4.
6-4 now. The power and strength of Amir Bhaiya, the dedication, the workouts and all, you can see in that powerful spike. So that is the stamina you should have while playing volleyball, and the focus and determination. Then only you will become a good player. Brilliant defense, but that was gone to the point of Sirsilla. Both teams are playing really good. That's why these two teams are in the finals of this Karimnagar volleyball tournament.
5-6. Okay.
That's it, good. Brilliant spiking. It's 7-5 now. 2 points lead to Korutla. Good service. Excellent. It's 6-7. There we go. Brilliant point to Korutla. It's 8-6 now. Good service again. Nice pass. Brilliant spike. It's 7 and 8 the score. 7-8 the score. 1 point lead for Korutla. Point to Sirsila. Scores are level. 8-8 now. That's good, sir. The nice pass. The ball goes out of the court. Point to Sirsila. They got the lead. It's 9-8 now. So, good. Excellent point to Korutla. But it is given to Sirsila because of the ball gone out of the court. And the timeout is here. That's it. Nice service. That's out ball. Point to Korutla. Nice judgment by the Korutla players. Just an inch out. So there you go. Brilliant drop by Amir Bhaiya. They got another point now. They got back-to-back points here. Brilliant block. There you go. That is Amir Bhaiya. With that block, the Korutla players are on fire with hat-trick points. With hat-trick of points. That's gone out. Korutla players are on fire. Back-to-back points. The timeout is there. Brilliant game by Korutla in this final match of Karimnagar volleyball tournament. This is absolutely breathtaking for both the teams with the kind of gameplay they are playing now.
Everybody. Score. Chinna. Akadisham. Score. Sadish. 13-10. Okay.
Korutla 13,
13-10
Sirsila 10.
in favor of Korutla.
2 points. Korutla will win this set. Good service. Nice drop.
Good drop from Vidya Manohar. He is
11-13
next
now.
academy player.
Score.
Very good. 12-11-13.
2 points lead for Korutla team now. Brilliant
Single
drop.
hand drop, single hand blocking. Very good blocking. Score from
12-13.
11-13.
1 point lead for Korutla. And there you go. The
Seven Gatiya Palla.
set point for Korutla.
14-12. Favor of Korutla.
14
Set point.
set point for Korutla now.
Alright.
Let's see what will happen. That's it. Good block. But the point was given to Sirsila.
13-14 in favor of
Still set
Korutla.
point for Korutla. Let's see what will happen now. That's it. Set won by
set
Korutla
point
team.
to goes to Korutla. Okay, very good.
That's it.
సాంబార్ ఎక్కడ చాలా ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ.
So the first set is won by Korutla team. So Sirsila team, if they want to win this match, they should win in this set too. So the service is there. First point to Sirsila. Good start for set 2. As we can see, they are fully focused on this game now. Good. That's it. That's the power of Shahid from Korutla. That's power pack smack by Shahid. No one can stop that. It's 1-all. Good service. Brilliant. Nice defense. Nice drop. It's 2-all now. There you go. Brilliant spike by Amir Bhaiya, but point goes to Sirsila team.
Score sir.
It's 3-all. So the score is 3-1. Sorry. Brilliant spike and drop as well. Sirsila got the point.
4-1.
Score is 4-1 in favor of Sirsila. 3 points. 3 points lead.
Sirsila.
Brilliant by Shahid again. It's 2-4 now. Nice drop. 5-2. Point to Korutla. It's 3-5 now. That's out ball. Point to Korutla. 4-5 now. It's 5-all. Brilliant block. The score is 6-5. 1 point lead for Korutla team. That's a good pass. Good defense. That's it. Another point. It's 7-5. 2 points lead for Korutla team. It's 7-5. 2 points lead to Korutla as of now. Brilliant spike. It's 8-5 now. 3 points lead for Korutla team. That's nice service. Excellent gameplay by players. It's 6-8 the score. 2 points lead for Korutla team. Brilliant spike. It's 9-6 the score. 3 points lead for Korutla team. There you go. Brilliant defense from Korutla by Shahid. Nice drop. That's net touch from Sirsila players. It's 10-9-7 I think. Just 10-6 the score with 4 points lead Korutla. That's out ball. It's 11-6. 4 more points. Korutla will win this final easily. Score is 11-6. That's out ball. Score is 7-11 now. It's on the line. It's 8-11 now. Good defense. Brilliant block. Nice drop. Good drop. Brilliant drop and the point goes to Sirsila. It's 9-11 now. There it is. Excellent drop. It's 12-9 now. Nice service. Good drop. minus ball, but point to Korutla. It's 39-9 now. There you go. Good spike by Sirsilla players. It's 10-13 now. There you go. The score is 10-13. Brilliant point. It's game point for Korutla. So this is the final game point for Korutla now. They will win this Karimnagar volleyball tournament 4 district levels. So the match point is here. The game will be win by Korutla team. That's out. There you go. That's it. But they're giving touch out. That means we have to wait now. So it's 11 and still game point. That's it. That's the game. Korutla won this final match. There you go. That's it. There you go. The final winners, Korutla team, and the runner-ups are Sirsilla. Brilliantly played these two players here. What an excellent gameplay. These two teams performed wonderfully in the volleyball tournament. There you go. The captain of Korutla won the final match here. Shahid, the powerhouse, and the powerhouse as well, Rajesh sir, the remaining Prudvi. And there you go, the referees and officials are here who conducted this tournament and looked after it, everything. That's really good. As well as the Sirsilla players as well as. That's it. The officials who took the games, all games in their hands, and they work really hard from morning to evening. These are all the officials here. You know, it is Spirit of Manoj. Spirit of Manoj. Yes, thank you. And these are the officials. Worked really hard from morning to till midnight. It's 12 as of now.
And Praveen and Prashant, PD, and Raju and Viskandar.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, that's it.
Good evening to all.
And our beloved my student Pablo, etc. My favorite student Rangarao Garu.
Goes to third place, fourth place.
Yes, they are all happy. The tournament was successful. So does the trophies are coming for the winners. So it is fourth place.
Prabhakar, physical director garu. Very good. Physical director, Prabhakar. Prabhakar sir. Right.
Very good.
Second place, Sirsilla. The cup is coming. Sirsilla runner-ups of Karimnagar volleyball tournament.
Krishna, Gopalu, Aurangelu, Krishna, Kadinandu. Are chetle Krishna. Krishna, Pillala Gandaki, Ashirad Yava. Right. ఒక్క చిన్న అందరి కోరిక మేరకు ఎందుకంటే గ్రౌండ్ ని నమ్ముకొని గ్రౌండ్ గట్టిగా చెప్పండి జైత్యాల జిల్లా అనేది ఇక్కడనే
अरे मनोज को गिरा दिए अरे इधर देखो
వెరీ గుడ్ గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్. చాలా సంతోషమైన వార్త ఏంటంటే ఇంత పెద్ద గవర్నమెంట్ ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎవరెవరైతే కష్టపడ్డారో ఆఫీసర్స్ అండ్ ఫోరర్స్ అండ్ లైన్ మెంబర్స్ అండ్ వాలంటీర్స్ అండ్ గ్రౌండ్ ఇన్ఛార్జెస్ అండ్ ఆర్గనైజర్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ మా ఎస్ఆర్ఆర్ వాకర్స్ తరఫున ప్రత్యేకంగా కృతజ్ఞత తెలియజేస్తున్నాం.